I got another subscription box. This time it's Nadine West. My first time trying it. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Okay, I got my Nadine West. First time I'm seeing it here. Let's see, this is like my return mailing label. It's wrapped up in pink. I see yellow and gray and charcoal and stripe, maybe navy and white stripe. I can't quite tell, so let's see what I got. I'm so excited. Okay. All wrapped up in pink. All right, first item, something charcoal gray. Pants. These look like they're from, I don't know how to say the brand, Yelete, size small. And they have like a stretchy waistband. They look like, almost like a work pant, but they're stretchy and they just pull on. So, those might be a possibility. That's the first thing. And then the second thing is navy and white, or maybe even like an off-white. So what is this? Whoa. Oh, is it a dress? That's the same brand, Yelete. Yeah, that might be really cute. Okay, cool. Oh wait, are the sleeves? Yeah, the sleeves are just plain. Okay. And then something gray, which is not a super flattering color on me, but it feels super soft and comfortable. So what is that? Oh, it's like a little bell sleeve, I think you call that. A little bell sleeve, kind of like a tunic that might be like longer in the back than in the front. That's actually really cute. So even if it's just like loungewear, I don't know, that's pretty cute for loungewear, but that's from the brand Zeana, another size small. So that actually might be pretty cute with jeans maybe. I don't know if I'd pair them with those other pants or not. And then I'm excited about this because I like color. Ooh, there's jewelry inside too. Surprise! Oh my gosh, a ton of gold. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, let's see what the yellow thing is though first. Ooh, the yellow is a little sleeveless top. And it's got like the pleating on the neck right here. And this is from the brand, I don't know what that's at. DNA Couture. DNA Couture. That looks really cute. I like that. That's a sleeveless top. And then there was a surprise in the middle. I got little jewelry. How cute. It's in a little pouch. It's a long necklace. Marin Elena. It's like a long, I don't know what you say, kind of like just a gold chain but with big circles, all different shapes and textures. I kind of like that. I don't wear a ton of long necklaces, but I'm definitely willing to give things a try because I'm learning about some fun new fashion ideas and things to try, so I think I might like that. That's really pretty. So, alright, so I got 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 things to try. So let's go on to the try on. Okay, outfit number 1. I have 2 of the pieces on. I have the jewelry on, which, so you can see it. It's a gold long necklace with different textures and shapes of circles and ovals on there. Yes, my 2-year-old is joining in the video with us today.
I can't see her because I zoomed out. She's over
being
there.
Being silly over there. But yeah, this necklace is actually really nice. I don't know, I don't wear long necklaces a lot, but like I said, I kind of need to take some more chances with some jewelry, so let me know what you guys think about this necklace on me. And then this is the shirt, this little sleeveless top. It fits really, really well. It's a really, really soft material. The only thing I'm questioning about, and it'll depend on the price, I guess. I have to look at the prices, but I have a shirt pretty similar to this in a similar color. So I don't know if it's something I need, but I actually do really like the neckline and the little pleats up here. So I think it's pretty flattering. I like the color. It's really bright and fun. So yeah, these are the first two pieces. I kind of like them, so let's see what else there is. This is outfit number 2. So these pants, I do not know what they are made out of. Oh, they're made out of a Natalie. How nice. This is my little Natalie. Okay, go sit over there, honey. Yeah, she should be in bed. Big Sissy and I were going to try to film this after we put her to bed, but it's not working out too well. Okay. But these pants, I don't know, they fit. They're kind of tight though. They're squeezing pretty hard on this area here, maybe uncomfortably on the stomach. They have pockets here, but it's a very stretchy material. I gotta look and see what this is made out of because it feels like a work pant, but then it's very fitted and stretchy like a workout legging. So I'm a little confused about what it is or how to wear it. It is comfortable, but like I said, a little tight. And then the top, I don't know, the top is actually pretty cute. I like the bell sleeves. I have nothing with bell sleeves. This is something that I don't have in my wardrobe, so I like that. I think it fits well. I'm not sure if it should be this baggy, or maybe if I could style it differently to kind of make it a little cuter and not so baggy. So
Are there pockets in the back of the pants?
show you the back of the shirt. Are there pockets in the back of the pants?
Yeah, there's pockets at the
Yeah,
back.
there's pockets in the back of the pants, yeah. And then there's like a line, a seam down the middle of the back of the shirt, so I like that detail too. So I don't know, would I wear this as loungewear? It's too cute for loungewear, right? But it's super soft, super flowy and comfy, so I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna put on the last item.
So, I'm
Quit
little
going in there,
Natalie,
'cause I'm-
and I love to play, and I love to do echoes outside, out there. I love to play here and that in my playroom where I play. And I love to
Do you have little ballet slippers on your dress? On your nightgown?
Yeah, with legs.
Yeah. She has little ballet slippers on her nightgown tonight, huh? And someone is still awake.
Okay, this is the last item. This is a really cute dress. It's almost with the necklace and the navy stripe and off-white stripe. It's kind of giving me like a nautical vibe, which I don't hate. I think it's actually kind of cute and summery. But it does have pockets, which a lot of people really love when dresses have pockets. Sometimes when pockets are there, I feel like
Mommy,
a little more hip
I need hands.
it happens when there's pockets, and then also like the vertical, or not vertical, horizontal stripe can be a little less flattering in certain instances. And I don't know, let me know what you think about this dress as far as the pockets and the pattern on me. But this is the back. It's really cute. It fits really well. It's, again, that super soft material. And I wasn't sure what shoes to pair with it because I have a pair of gold sandals, but they weren't as gold as this necklace, so I didn't really know if that would work. Maybe even like a cute little white sneaker that I don't own would possibly work. But yeah, so this dress is the last item. Okay, so now I just need to check out the prices and we'll go from there. Okay, So I feel like that was not bad at all for my first Nadine West box, for them not really knowing me yet and just going off of the answers to my style profile. I think they did a pretty good job. And I didn't tell them specific colors that I liked or didn't like. I may have said I like gray though, because I thought I liked gray, but apparently I don't look as flattering in gray as other warmer colors. So things that I'm learning recently might help me make my decisions too. But now we're gonna go ahead and look at the prices. And first we have, well, I'll just talk about what I'm wearing first. This is the dress. It is a Miele, I don't know how to say that, M-I-E-L-E stripe, 2-pocket, navy and white stripe. It is $44.99, so not bad for a price of a dress. It's pretty thin. Honestly, I don't know if it's worth that price. It seems like a thin material to me for $45. And I'm not really sure if it is age appropriate for me. So let me know what you think on that. I like nautical things. I like navy stripe. But I'm not really sure. Maybe the necklace is making it feel kind of like older than I'd like it to. I'm not really sure. I can't decide. So let me know what you guys think on that. And then the other piece that I have on is the necklace. Britney in gold. And it's $29.99. Again, probably not too bad for something that is like a long necklace. I'm not really sure what a good price is for that type of thing. I'll have to see, again, what you guys think about whether or not you like this on me, if you think that I get a lot of wear out of it. I do feel like maybe a long necklace isn't really my style, but again, I'm kind of trying to figure out what my style is right now. So that is the necklace. And then we have the heather gray Kenzel top, and that was this one with the bell sleeves. I actually really like this. It's really comfortable and really, really soft. And that one is $35.99. So let me know what you thought on that one. And then this top, excuse me, is the, let's see, the mustard flower Anette top. And this is also $35.99. This was really comfortable, the same kind of really comfortable material. And I really liked the pleating, and it was a really good fit. So this I think would transition well into fall too because of the color. So I do like that. I think it would be really cute under a jean jacket. I probably should have tried it like that, but I'll have to try that and post some pictures. But yeah, so this is the Anette top. That is really cute. And then these pants I just wasn't sure on. These are Myra in charcoal for $27.49. Not a bad price for a pant that I would get a lot of use out of. If they're supposed to be a work pant, I don't work. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I don't really think I get a lot of use out of it. We're not going to church right now. And I don't really know if that was the best fit for me. It is pretty tight around the stomach, and I don't like things super tight and compression type leggings like that. So I don't really think I'm going to keep these. Let me know what you thought about them and how they looked on me. But yeah, kind of undecided, but I'm excited about my first box. I think they did a really great job. Thank you, Nadine West. I really enjoyed this. Thank you to my camera woman over there, my daughter, Lainey. Hi. She did a great job too. So, yeah, I think I said this a million times, but let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate your opinion and your feedback, and I have to decide what I want to keep now. So, thanks again for watching. See you next time.
Bye.